Euniycemari here, and so today I am going to be talking about a product that did not work for me. We're gonna jump right into this video. No sugarcoating here. You guys know I like to keep it right and direct. If you're new to my channel, hello, your girl Euniycemari here, and my channel is all about beauty, from hair, skincare, DIY, underarm care, natural skincare, natural hair care, all of it. So welcome. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and if you love what I do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. All right, so the product that we're going to be talking about today that just did not work for me is the Mielle Organics White Peony Leave-In Conditioner for all hair types. Okay, backstory, because you guys know I always give you a backstory, right? So I went to my local CVS trying to find my favorite leave-in conditioner, either Twisted Sisters or what is it, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In by Shea Moisture, and I couldn't find it. So I was like, you know what, let's just try. I couldn't find what I wanted. It didn't have it in store, so I was like, let me just try something different. And I saw this and I was like, okay, I never tried any of Mielle's leave-in conditioners, let me go ahead and give it a try, you know. And so I did not like it. All right, first of all, the smell. If you guys ever smelled this, it's just too much. The smell of it is too much for me. It's too much. It's not even like a light fragrance. It's like a really strong cologne like fragrance, and that threw me off, especially for it being a natural ingredient, a natural product. It kind of just made me go, what is in this that makes it smell so strong? I just didn't like the smell of it. Number two, it left a film on my hair that I didn't like, and my hair is really fine, so when my hair can get built up on it real easily. So it left a film over my hair which reacted badly or mixed badly with my gels that I was using in my hair, and then my hair just never seemed like it was fully moisturized from it. Like, this didn't moisturize my hair. It says it's for all hair types, but it did not work for me. It just left a film on my hair. I didn't like the smell of it, and it didn't do anything for my hair. So as you guys can see, and I've used it quite a couple of times in different ways, just trying to see how this would work for me. That's why you guys see a little, how far is it filled up to? It's filled up to about right here still. And so I may just end up giving it to a friend or something to see if it works for them. I mean, I don't want to have to throw a product in the trash. It kind of really sucks. Usually I would mix products with other things too to kind of just use it, but I really don't like this product. I don't see myself mixing it or anything of that sort. It just didn't work for my hair type. It didn't work. I didn't like the scent, none of it. So with that being said, you guys, that's pretty much it. That's to the point. I just think it's really important for me not to only share on my channel the things that I love with you guys, but things that did not work, because I just want to be really real, and I want to keep it real, and I want you guys to see the realness of it. Not everything works for me, just like how everything doesn't work for everybody. It's just everything doesn't work for me. And this is a product that I bought, I tried, and I was like, ew. And it was like $14. Like, this stuff is not cheap, and so it's just like, ew, you know. And I try to use products different ways as well, just to see if it works different for me in different ways, because you may use it one way on wet hair and it may not work for you, but you can use it on dry hair and it works amazing for you. So I tried that, it just did not work, and so thumbs down all the way for me when it comes to the Mielle White Peony leave-in conditioner. If you have tried this leave-in conditioner and it worked for you, comment down below. If you have tried this conditioner and it did not work for you, comment down below. I love to hear different sides of the wall or different sides of the story. So definitely, you guys, didn't work for me, and so we are on to trying something new. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video. Bye.